Back when I was a young lad, I was always creating stuff. And I don't know if it's because I have the attention span of a small reptile, but I've always got to look at things and, figure out how I can make it better. One night in bed, I was actually laying in bed thinking about caulking. I know that's weird, but I came up with an idea. And that was the literal start of InstaTrim products. InstaTrim is a product that replaces traditional caulking. It never existed before.
It was a little pet project of his. I was helping him out from the beginning a couple years ago. It got to the point where he could take me on full time, and here I am.
I jumped in and I helped him out with packaging and marketing. My background is graphic design, advertising. I've worked at a number of big agencies, so I brought all that to the table.
Yeah, the mornings you're packaging or processing orders, following up with emails, then dealing with freight.
I process the orders, pack them up, ship them out, fill up the drop ship on a daily basis, and anything else that needs doing.
Building pallets, wrapping pallets, forklifting.
I started helping them on a little basis, a few hours, and now here I am every day. I've learned so much stuff.
Well, we certainly have a very free and flexible environment here. We've got a number of dogs, Tucker and Georgia, that are here every day.
I mean, they just make it a more light atmosphere, and they really represent how our attitudes are. Gotta have fun.
Yeah, there's lots of dogs here. Sometimes it's detrimental to work, but no, it's always worth it.
And we also have my buddy Carl, who is a very friendly bearded dragon.
I love this little job and the people I work with, Greg and Betsy and Eric.
Here we are today after about 13 years. We're an international company.
We're super excited to see what the future holds, because we've gone from $100,000 company to multi-millions, so we're seeing it expand.